Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the Gpedit msc or the local group policy editor is missing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to proceed to the description box below. You will be able to see a link there being attached. All you need to do is you need to copy it. The moment you have copied it, please download it at the specific browser that is available in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay. Once you have downloaded the specific file, please bring it up. Okay. And you would be able to see recommend text like this. So we need to save this one. So please click on this file option at the top of it and go with saved as. So the moment you have bring up this kind of window, please proceed to the desktop, set it as your location, and try to rename it. Okay, in my case, I'll be renaming it into Gpedit, and make sure that you will add an extension of .bat. Again, add an extension of .bat, click on saved. Okay, and once you have added it here, you can now close or minimize the window and proceed to the file that you have just created. So from here, we need to proceed on making a right click on it. Okay, and from here, please click on this run as administrator, which is next to share. Please click on it, and start account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you can continue on your steps. Okay, so eventually it will now start, and this might take some time, maybe 5 to 6 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your machine, but you just have to put a lot of patience and don't close this command prompt window. Okay, don't turn off your computer as well unless you are done. Once you are done, okay, all you need to do is you need to check if your Gpedit is now appearing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. Here, please type for gpedit.msc and click on OK, and eventually you would be able to open up your window called local group policy editor. Trust me. Okay, so I've been there also because my Windows 11 doesn't have this local group policy editor. I just completed the steps, and eventually I have successfully created or show up created this one, which is the local group policy editor. So that's it. Close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.